Hello, my name is Dave Rowland, and I'm the President and CEO of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. I'm here with another weekly video to share important business-related information with Oklahoma manufacturers during the current COVID-19 pandemic. As always, our number one focus is on helping manufacturers succeed. That's why we're working to give you information to help minimize the impact of this pandemic on your business. Today, I'd like to share 3 important pieces of COVID-19 related information, including 2 funding programs that are essential for all small manufacturers and a few ideas on how to protect your employees at work. Let's start with the Small Business Administration's Disaster Relief Program. The program provides small manufacturers with working capital loans of up to $2 million. A couple points you should know. The funds from this program cannot be used for payroll-related expenses. They are intended to be helping with working capital and other such expenses. Furthermore, the loan carries an interest rate of 3.75%, and it has a loan payback period of up to 30 years. Now, just as important is the Paycheck Protection Program loan. This loan is designed as an incentive for manufacturers to keep their workers on their payroll. The most important requirement of the loan is that all proceeds from this loan must be used to cover payroll, rent, mortgage interest payments, or utilities during a specific 8-week period. All loan amounts will be forgiven if employee levels are maintained at the same levels as the prior year. Now, the Paycheck Protection Program can be applied for through any local bank. The OMA, we are encouraging all manufacturers to apply for both programs. If you'd like help applying for the programs, please contact one of our manufacturing extension agents located throughout the state for assistance. And finally, our third point. Manufacturers are asking for guidance on how to keep their employees safe from COVID-19 at work. We are recommending starting with the CDC's guidelines. Their recommendation should be considered as the minimal requirements needed. Also remember that even though most manufacturers have been identified as essential businesses, social distancing is still one of the most effective tools in the manufacturer's toolbox. Employees should maintain at least 6 feet of distance between one another. Because this isn't always possible in many manufacturing situations, we are recommending, however, using face masks when possible. Other options that might be considered include rethinking your shift patterns. It is possible to modify your shifts to perform operations that will reduce or eliminate unwanted employee interactions. And finally, there are many services throughout the state that are providing cleaning and disinfecting services specifically focused on the needs of manufacturers. Your local manufacturing agent can connect you with a variety of these services. In closing, we know things are changing daily for all of you as our country and our state deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. We also know that sometimes you still need immediate assistance for your business, whether it's about an operational, supply chain, or financial issue that's totally unrelated to the COVID-19 virus. That's why our manufacturing extension agents are still available for consultations to help you deal with pressing issues that come up during this disruption. So feel free to contact us anytime at info@okalliance.com. That's info at okalliance.com. One of our MEAs will usually respond within 2 hours, and if they don't have the answer, they'll find it for you. Remember, we're in this together. You're not alone. Thanks again for your time and for everything you're doing for Oklahoma and our manufacturing industry. See you next week.